Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And want to get another little haul video out for you. I'm in my sewing clothes again. So the man behind the camera, as we all know as Mick, actually watches a lot of football today. And so in between his watching, I wanted to make sure and get the video in. So I stopped what I was doing and came to do my haul. So I just have a few things to show you today. One luxury item and just a couple other fun ones for fall and just for fun. Picked up a few things. I had watched Minnie Minx for All haul not too long ago, and I think it was like a Farfetch haul or something, but she showed something that I had to have, and I couldn't get it the exact thing, so I got something really, really close. She showed this pair of Nikes, and now I forgot the name of the type they are or whatever, in this color. And so I searched for some until I found the right color, and I got these. These beautiful Under Armour tennies.
Barbie shoes?
Yeah, let's call them my Barbie shoes. Look at, even the bottoms are pink. I just love these. So yeah, hers were Nike, and I know they're pretty pricey. She got a pretty good price, I guess, when she hauled them, but these were under $100, and I was super pleased. So now I have my own bright pink pair of shoes, and they're gonna go perfect with what I'm gonna show you next.
Between your shirt and your shoes, I need some sunglasses.
Yeah, I bet. So I have been starting to get some items for fall, and so one of the things I like to get for fall is sweatshirts, and I found this at the Kohls website and couldn't resist. It's gonna go with my shoes.
Nice.
It's Frankenstein. One of the original Universal monsters. I just thought this would be perfect for, it's a huge sweatshirt.
Huge.
Perfect for fall, and I just loved it. And so the pink, bright pink will go with the lighter pink there, and they'll just kind of set each other off. So I got that.
Might set me off.
Right? Then I got one other fall sweatshirt, and in my beautiful orange color, I got this from Target. Apple cider kind of day. They sell these only in one size. You can go to the website. They have about 5 different colors. I'm pretty sure they're still there. And it's just one size. So I got apple cider kind of day sweatshirt. Then another little fun graphic tee I got just because I am enamored with this and saw the movie not too long ago, the more recent one. Not this movie, but this character. Indiana Jones.
Dr. Jones.
Yes, so I just got this little sweatshirt, and it seems fallish to me because it's dark.
Is that a t-shirt or a sweatshirt?
It's a t-shirt.
Oh, okay.
And with the weather in Wisconsin, this seems perfect for fall because, yeah, it's cooler today. It's supposed to be in the 80s later this week. It was in the 90s, what, a week ago? I don't know what's happening to Wisconsin weather, but okay, that means I can wear this in fall because of our weather. So I got that. And then, and I just showed it again. Oh my gosh. Okay. So anyways, I'm just going to hold this like this now safely. And, I'm only showing this in the, or unboxing it kind of, because just to show you in case you've never bought from here before. So I buy from here every once in a while, and lately they have had some phenomenal prices on stuff. And apparently I'm on my own little Hermes journey now. Not for a Birkin or a Kelly, but I have just really been into Hermes lately. Probably because I got that Rose Extreme ring. And ever since then, I am just enamored with that color. So I saw this on their website, and it's not that color, but it was something that just still spoke to me, and the price was really good, and so I got it. And I'm talking about Yugi's Closet. So I purchased this from Yugi's Closet, and it came nicely packaged like this. And then I'm just gonna open it here for you. Here's what it came packaged like. So it has Yugi's Closet up here. It had this plastic wrap, plastic, packaging in here. The item I got came in the box, and I absolutely love that they put the box and everything in plastic, because just in case, we know how things can get, and it might be raining or whatever when these are delivered. Granted, a lot of these will need a signature, and then it's not going to matter, but this one didn't. And so it was just nice that it was packaged like this. I appreciated that. So let me open it up here. And inside they have a little thank you for purchasing. It's got the little tag that it's been certified as authentic by UV's Closet. I like this. They even included the little Hermes ribbon from the original packaging. Just gonna set this on my handy dandy shelf. Then inside here they have tissue paper, and they give you a dust bag for this little tiny item, which was so nice. But so they put the item in the dust bag. So here's the original. I believe this is the original packaging. I could be wrong on the paper, but I know it's the original box.
Dust bag seems huge.
Yeah. And I got a Basita. And now I have another really nice quality dust jacket. And I got this, you know what, I don't know the name of the color. I think it's Mexican rose. But I got this little Bastia. I don't have one. I have 2 Calvi Card holders, which I love. And I never picked this up because I didn't know if I would use it. And I know people use it for coins, but I really like the color. So I wanted to see it in person. And for the price, it was worth it to see it and get one of these. This is so much bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought it was a lot smaller. So here's the back side, and it's just, one piece of leather that they, put the snaps on, stamped it. It's got the silver hardware on it. And it's just got a slot in here, slot in there. And I'll show you, sorry, I'm gonna get up here. Hi everybody, look at me. I was gonna try to get out a Calvi that I have. Yeah, here's one. Oh no, that's not my Calvi card holder. Here it is, sorry.
Preparation.
Yeah, so here's a Calvi card holder. This isn't the same, I believe this is Epsom leather. So.
As opposed to Epsom salt? That's
true. So I was just surprised. So as you can see, the Bastia is actually wider than that. Not taller, obviously. But so the Calvi card holder, just again, one piece of leather that's folded nice and put together like that. But the Bastia is like this. So I don't think leather-wise there is a huge difference in the amount of leather. Obviously, this probably has a little more. But yeah, I was really super pleased with this for the price and then the size. So if you ever have been not getting one of these and had been thinking about it, but you weren't sure the size, yeah, just to give you a comparison, it's just it was way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Granted, it's not a big item, but a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I thought I'd show that. And lastly, I was going to give the names of a couple of the people that I have in the giveaway. On the last video, I believe it was, I put the names of the people, posted them at the end of the video. If you haven't heard your name or saw it written, let me know or just leave me another note. This is for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away 10 different items, and you still have time to enter. You just put down in the comments, enter in the state you're from. This time and way to contact you. Thank you. So entered, I got Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture, Kathy Stewart 2209, MHR 7803. Let's see. It'd be nice if I can read my writing. Dawn, I believe it's Haggerty 5910, and Up County. Maui 5656. Man, I am probably just butchering these. And then user-WQ5GJ3PN3F. That's a long one. So, and I also, look at this, I got some hot cash from Like It Matters, Jamie. Hot Topic.
Squirrel.
So those people I have entered, I'm not gonna repeat the other ones that I have. Also, if you look in the comments and I have wrote you're in, then you know you're in as well. The drawing is going to be next
Urine?
week. Stop it.
Sorry.
The drawing is going to be next week, a week from today. And I'll be announcing the winners on the...
Week from yesterday.
A week from yesterday?
The 23rd.
Is it? I don't... It's next weekend. Let's just
I'm
put it
busy.
that way. You are not. So, yeah, I'll be doing the giveaway again. Thank you so much to everybody who's entered. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed. I'm just over the moon. Keep leaving comments. I absolutely love it. It's just really nice kind of having a back and forth with everybody. I have more Portland leather goods coming. I have, let's see, 2 other bags that I recently purchased coming.
What?
Stop it. So yeah, just a lot of fun stuff coming. And
Like paper or plastic?
no. And so stick around. Gonna do another video too with Mick.
Nope.
Like it or not. And I'm still kind of deciding what to do. I really like when people do the trying treats from other countries. Might do something like that, or even thought about doing a fall snacks type. And because I have been buying everything that's like pumpkin spice or apple spice or apple
Spotted
cider.
cow?
No, that's not
Oh.
fall.
Could be.
And so I'm looking to do something like that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. You can find me over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Just to make it fair, I will not be entering the giveaway.
Oh.